Welcome to your channel Myra Pro, hope you enjoyed with this video. So, we've been waiting for HMD Global to unveil a true Nokia branded Android flagship, but although the 8 Sirocco is certainly a thing of beauty, its use of a Snapdragon 835 processor doesn't quite put it on the same level with the new wave of SD845 powerhouses. Sooner or later, the Nokia 9 has to break cover, and when it does, a freshly leaked list of detailed features and specifications anticipates a major camera revolution. It obviously makes sense for a Nokia handset to challenge the imaging greatness of the triple-lens Huawei P20 Pro, bringing the classic PureView family's 41 megapixel shooter back from the dead. This time around, we're apparently looking at a main 41 megapixel rear-facing sensor with OIS, xenon and LED flash, as well as similar f1.5 and f2.4 dual aperture technology as Samsung's Galaxy S9 Plus. That total beast of a primary camera could be combined with a 20 megapixel telephoto lens also touting OIS, and finally, a 9.7 megapixel monochrome sensor. The whole thing should use state-of-the-art Zeiss optics and be able to produce 4x optical zoom, with a dreamy 21 megapixel front camera also Zeiss powered, endowed with f1.8 aperture, as well as display flash. Speaking of the display, the Nokia 9 is tipped to borrow its OLED technology from the 8 Sirocco, and the 18:9 aspect ratio from the 7 Plus, while upgrading resolution to QHD. A ceramic backplate and 18-karat gold finish could make for a uniquely premium design, with a Snapdragon 845 social, a whopping 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage in charge of effortless performance. The almost utopian spec sheet is completed by fast wireless charging capabilities, IP68 water and dust resistance, Android One support with 8.1 ARIA pre-installed, a massive 3900 mAh battery, in-glass fingerprint recognition, and 5 high-performance integrated microphones. It's all a little too good to be true, if you ask us, so you may want to consider the possibility of some overly enthusiastic fan trying to play a prank on the tech media. Please help me by sharing this video. You'll not lose anything if you shared this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me. At last, subscribe on the channel to get my latest videos. Thanks a lot for your time. If you liked this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get last updates. Thank you for your time.